Hello, this is Veronica with Cornbread Wisdom, and I just wanted to put together a quick tip. I went to the Dollar Tree and purchased what many people consider a beauty product, like witch hazel, a skin toner. I went to Food Max and bought glycerin and rose water. And I went to Marshall's and bought rosehip micellar water. Then I went to Daiso, where they had a 2-for-1 spray bottle deal. And I also bought a miniature spray bottle so I could carry it around in my purse. So I guess you could consider this my little beauty idea, since this is Cornbread Wisdom and I'm really not into spending a lot of money on brands that have a lot of ingredients that I can't even pronounce, to be quite honest. So anyway, welcome to Beauty on a Budget, and I look forward to putting together some more videos for you to enjoy. Thank you.